Hi, this is Mr. Hammer here. I'm going to give you a quick lesson on how I want you to blend your colors for this project. So first of all, with colored pencils, you basically get the colors straight given to you. You get green, they may give you a dark green, a light green. You may get one or two different blues, one or two oranges, one yellow, maybe there's two different reds, and then a variety of other colors. The beauty with blending is that you can make your own specific colors here. So what you would do is you would start usually with the darker color and you would press it light. So let's say I want to make a light green, like a lime green. So I'm going to lightly press with my light green here in whatever area I'm coloring. And then I'm going to now follow behind with the yellow, but now I'm going to press hard. And so that's given me, I've blended now two colors. The resulting color is kind of like a yellowy green. It's not either of these colors, it's in between. And I can choose to further change that. Let's say I think I want it a little bit darker. You can actually darken it a bit. You won't be able to lighten it anymore, but you can definitely darken it a little bit. So now I've made it just a little bit darker than it was. Now I'm getting a very, very original lime green color. I could further darken it and experiment with red here, for example. I could put a little bit of red here, and that's going to make that side a little bit darker. And slowly, slowly, slowly press lighter and lighter and lighter, maybe even blend into this green. So I'm getting very different colors here. I'll press hard actually in this part. Now I've made like a very interesting kind of deep red. Let's look at another example here. Let's see if I can create an orange out of red and yellow. So I'm going to start with my darker color again. You always start with your darker color. You press lightly. So you don't want to press dark, too dark. So you're pressing lightly with your darker color, and then follow with the lighter color you're going to mix. So now I'm going to follow with yellow. Yellow is a great blending color. So that gives me like a nice, interesting orange. But let's say I thought that was too dark. Well, I could go back and press a little bit lighter with my red. So here I'm pressing a little bit lighter with my red. And if I go with my yellow now, there I've actually got a lighter orange. And the interesting thing is, compared to the orange here, I'm going to put just the standard orange. So first of all, we're getting a slightly different orange here and a slightly different orange here. But also, I don't know if you can see, there's kind of like a textured effect when you layer two colors. You can also lighten colors up. So I'm going to take blue, and let's say I want a lighter blue version of this. I'm going to press very lightly again. I'm going to press lightly, and then I'm going to press dark with my white. Now, it might be hard to notice on the video, but no, it's looking pretty nice. I'm getting a nice kind of lighter version of that blue. It looks quite nice. Purple may be a little bit harder to make. That's blue and red, and then maybe a little bit of white. I'm not sure how well making purple will work. You may need to actually just use the standard purple that comes. We'll try it here. So I'm going to do a little bit of red, a little bit of blue, and a little bit of white then. So a little bit of blue. I don't know if I did too much blue. Maybe back with maybe a little bit more red. And then let's go with white and see what happens here. See, you're not getting the best purple necessarily. So you may have to use just the purple that you get. But colors like green, colors like orange, colors like lighter colors, you can always make. Actually, I've gone over that a few times now, and that's kind of an interesting purple. So you can kind of keep going over colors. So your rule is you need to actually blend in all areas of your drawing. There shouldn't be one area that is not a blend of at least two colors. Also, you need to fill all areas. There shouldn't be any white spaces in your drawings. Good luck, everybody.